My name is Clara. One day, while cleaning the dusty attic of my grandmother's old house, I found a big wooden box full of old clothes, black and white photos, and some very old books. But at the bottom, I saw a yellow piece of paper rolled up and tied with a thin red ribbon. I untied the ribbon and unrolled the paper. It was a map of my neighborhood. It was old. The streets had different names, and there were buildings I didn't recognize. And on the map, there was an X marked on the corner of Elm Street and Oak Avenue, my street. The next day, I went to the spot where the X was marked. It was the corner of Elm Street and Oak Avenue, and there it was, the old oak tree from the map. I dug in the dirt around the tree and found a small metal plaque. The plaque had a date on it, 1955, and the initials GM. I smiled. It was a small gift from my grandmother, but there was something else under the plaque, a small glass bottle with a note inside. The note was from my grandmother. It read, "To my future, a small gift from the past. The key opens the music box in the big living room cabinet. Listen to the music and remember me." I went straight home and found the music box in the cabinet. It was old and beautiful, and as the sweet, familiar melody filled the room, I remembered my grandmother's love. The map didn't lead to gold, but to something much more valuable.